darling Father. There can be no Father as loving and accommodating as you. We are fortunate to have you, unashamed to brag about you in every season. You give us reason to be grateful. So we have our tanks full of gratitude. We march with fortitude. Thank you for the extravagance of your love and provision on a daily basis. Not once do we forget your promises, especially the promise of an unusual harvest this year. Thank you for the endless outpour of wellness, that even when we struggled for breath, we knew we were not helpless. Thank you because challenges, they were more like stepping stones. And even when our steps seemed too steep, you gave us strength to pull out of the deep. Thank you for family that stuck close and friends that stuck even closer. Thank you because we were never alone. And in the moments that felt lonely, your spirit was there for companionship. Thank you because this year we lack nothing. For you have poured down your riches so much so that our pockets already overflow. Thank you because this year the works of our hearts set us apart for your glory. Lord, we are filled with gratitude as we stand in another year. The past year was a roller coaster of emotions, an uneven mixture of joy and sorrow, but somewhere in that mix, we maintained our stand as lights of this world. God, this year, we go harder. We walk with you and run with you. And in the moments where we feel too tired to carry on, we know that you be holding our hands, leading us on. We thank you as individuals. We thank you as families. We thank you as a church and as a nation. And we declare that the light of your lamp will shine through us every single day of this year.